Today at Wrap 4 we're going to test fire the Wrap 68 shotgun. First of all, to operate the Wrap 68 shotgun, you slide forward the collapsible stock. You open up your CO2 air tank, slide that back. To load it, you depress the button underneath the chamber. To load your paintballs, today we're going to demo with the target balls. Load them down inside. After you've completed loading, you close the chamber. As you see, when you cock it back, you can see that there's a round in the chamber. After you fired, you pull it back, you cock it again, you can see there's another round in the chamber.